After multiple iterations, Elon Musk claims the final Tesla Cybertruck design is fully locked, and he revised the manufacturing schedule to mid-2023. Want to know more about it? Make sure to stay tuned until the end to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today in this video, we'll be discussing all about Tesla's Cybertruck final prototype and every tiny detail about it. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss any updates or videos from us. That said, let's have a closer look. When it debuted in 2019, Tesla promised that the Cybertruck electric pickup truck would be available by the end of 2021. The automaker said that production would be postponed until 2022 as the deadline drew near. Later, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that Gigafactory Texas would start producing the electric pickup truck in late 2022. It was likely that the manufacturing schedule for the Cybertruck would be pushed back as well, given the focus on getting the Model Y into production at the facility, which was also delayed. Tesla officially announced in March 2022 that it intends to finish developing Cybertruck this year for commercialization in 2023. Since Tesla revised the Cybertruck's design several times, a substantial chunk of the delay has been attributed to that factor. Until today, it wasn't clear whether Tesla had chosen the ultimate design for the Cybertruck. In a recent discussion with the Tesla Owners Club of Silicon Valley, Musk declared that the Cybertruck design is now locked. The Cybertruck needs to go into production as soon as possible. The design is at the very least finished at this point. When it came to design improvements, we went a touch overboard. According to Musk, Tesla modified the Cybertruck's architecture somewhat and added rear wheel steering. CEO did, however, warn that a chip shortage would have prevented Tesla from mass-producing the electric pickup truck, regardless of design improvements. During the conversation, Musk updated the Cybertruck's production schedule to mid-2023. New Cybertruck prototypes were cited earlier this year, being tested by Tesla and being used for event advertising. On the test track at the automaker's Fremont factory, the revised prototype was observed. It's the best look at the forthcoming electric pickup truck we've had in a while. For the longest time, only one prototype of Tesla's electric pickup truck, the Cybertruck, was sighted in the wild and at Tesla events. Tesla introduced the Cybertruck in 2019. The production date for the vehicle program has been moved up to late 2022. With the additional time, Tesla is expected to update the electric pickup truck with new features in a slightly revised style. The automaker recently disclosed that it now has a small number of alpha prototypes of the improved Cybertruck, and that it'll shortly move into the beta stage in order to prepare for production early the following year. Currently, we have a first look at the most recent Tesla Cybertruck prototype. Drone flyovers of Tesla's Fremont facility were performed by a YouTube user by the name of Chile AI 100, who found the latest Cybertruck prototype on the plant's test track. For roughly 10 minutes, they were able to capture footage of the automaker testing a new electric pickup truck. The prototype has some trimmings and cables that are taped together, but everything else appears to be brand new. The revised design has a few glaring alterations, such as the enormous windshield wiper. It's been rumored that Cybertruck will be the first Tesla vehicle to incorporate the new technology, which is an electromagnetic wiper system with a single blade similar to this. We are unable to corroborate this, however, as the wiper looks to feature a more conventional, albeit large swivel arrangement. The prototype lacked side mirrors, but the modern Cybertruck does. Tesla intends to have side cameras streaming to screens inside the electric pickup truck if rules permitted it, but that is not presently the case in North America. Elon Musk previously said the business intends to keep utilizing this technique and make the side mirrors easily detachable so that owners can make their own modifications. The retractable bed cover present on the earlier prototype was either absent from the current prototype that was discovered today, or it was entirely retracted. 3 smaller lights appear to have been added by Tesla to the Cybertruck's front illumination in the center between the headlights. The car had full side-by-side headlights when it was first built, which gave it a more futuristic appearance. Some say the bed is smaller, although it's hard to tell without comparing it to something else. With a design that's probably more than in line with standards, the front and rear bumpers look to have undergone considerable updates, still contentious and resemble the original prototype. Whether you like it or not, the Cybertruck is well liked. The most recent count shows over 1 million reservations. The new Cybertruck, according to Musk, will feature 4 electric motors and 4 steering wheels. By the end of 2022, Tesla hopes to start manufacturing the Cybertruck at the Gigafactory in Texas. When Elon Musk unveiled the Cybertruck in November 2019, he stunned the automobile industry. The The stunning futuristic look of the Cybertruck is unmatched by anything already on the road, and it seems to be on its way to production practically exactly as it is right now. Every design has proponents and opponents. Do you recall Apple's AirPods? However, after becoming an icon, they frequently either become a commercial replacement for a reference point for aspiring designers to learn how not to create anything. Many people think that the design of the Tesla Cybertruck was taken straight from a child's drawing, but we think we can all argue that Elon Musk must have thought about this unique design. Let's attempt to discuss a few factors that had an impact on the Cybertruck's design. Consider that Tesla is poised to enter the $81 billion pickup truck industry, which is filled with cars that have a lot in common. The solution is straightforward. You must bring a car that's different from all others. With this standard in mind, along with Elon Musk's penchant for unconventional ideas, Tesla decided to embrace an exceedingly unusual design. Beyond the communication, the car's design has attracted a lot of attention, some of it with affection and some of it with contempt. Tesla considered the limitations and then made some decisions. They completely rethought the design of the car and made choices that resulted in this design. They decided to construct the car with an exoskeleton rather than the conventional body-on-frame, and they decided to use ultra-hard 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel in its raw form for the framework. In contrast to the body-on-frame, which is a separate piece installed on the frame, the exoskeleton implies that the body and the frame are one and the same. The flexibility to store battery packs and other equipment is one of the most important benefits of this style of frame structure. Two crucial considerations strongly influence the body's design: the necessity to stand out and the need for manufacturing to be economical. These two restrictions demand a straightforward answer, a radical design that can be mass-produced at low cost. The straightforward plate-like design, which enables the material to be machine-stamped, significantly reduces costs. One of the most frequent lessons we learn in physics while studying structures and force distributions is that triangles are good weight dispensers in any system. This is the guiding idea for this design as well. The Cybertruck, which is known as the most anticipated new electric vehicle, has finally made some progress. We think that several of Musk's remarks concerning the Cybertruck, such as becoming carried away with the design, are comparable to his admission that Tesla over-designed and overcomplicated the Model X. The timing, as the CEO noted, was fortuitous because Tesla would not have been able to make it on any appreciable scale in the first place. Hopefully, it won't cause problems with the manufacturing ramp. We already know that Tesla will soon obtain the biggest gigapress in the world to use in the manufacture of its electric pickup. In our opinion, it'll be a significant effort just to get their gadget to operate properly. Although we hope Tesla can meet its targets by mid-2023, we wouldn't be shocked if it again misses the mark. Let us know your opinions in the final prototype of the Cybertruck in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. See you in the next video.